This is a 2024. It's the Mustang Dark Horse Edition. It does come factory with a dual mode exhaust on the back. We're going to leave all that stock. Customer just wants to upgrade the sound a little bit without getting it too crazy, looks like. We're going to take the factory resonator out of it. Just put the H pipe in there and leave it all stock other than that. I'll get back to you here, see what it sounds like. Okay, so we're back and you can see we put the H pipe in there to give a little more tone. Like I said, left everything else stock. We'll get a little outside video, see what it sounds like. Okay, so it definitely gave it a little more rumble. Kind of give you an idea what's on the lift here. Sounds pretty good.